Driving, walking, or cycling through bustling cities like London or serene landscapes like Florence, Google Maps now offers a preview of the journey ahead like never before. This immersive experience not only predicts the route but also visualizes it, allowing users to plan for every twist, turn, rush hour bottleneck, and potential weather setback. By giving users the confidence of already having been there even before they embark on their journey, Google Maps has redefined the concept of navigation. Imagine soaring above iconic landmarks, peeking into bustling restaurants, and virtually strolling down charming streets, all without leaving your couch. Immersive View brings cities to life in stunning 3D, using photorealistic technology to capture every detail. Plan your trip like a pro by virtually exploring potential destinations, scouting for hidden gems, and getting a feel for the vibe of different neighborhoods. Immersive View even lets you see how a place changes throughout the day, thanks to a handy time slider. Google is continually adding more cities like London, Los Angeles, and Tokyo to this feature. But that is not all. You will also get enhanced map searches. Forget generic results. AI-powered search reads your mind. Well, kind of. It analyzes your past searches, likes, and reviews to surface hidden gems that match your taste. Craving a cozy ramen joint with vegan options? No problem. This personalized genie of suggestions will unearth the perfect places, complete with menus and photos. In response to the millions of broader searches in Google Maps, such as animal latte art or things to do around me, Google has introduced a couple of updates to make your search experience even more satisfying. First, we have photo-first results for searches. Instead of simply displaying cafes with animal latte art in their names or reviews, Google's AI-powered system analyzes billions of user-shared photos to present you with a list of photo-based results. You can now browse through the images, select your favorite, and obtain more information and directions effortlessly. Uncovering new experiences has been reimagined through Google Maps. The update now offers an interactive searching experience that caters to users' curiosities and desires for exploration. This feature utilizes AI and image recognition technology, promising to expand globally and transform the quest for new experiences into a visual journey. Additionally, Google Maps now organizes search results into neatly categorized suggestions, opening up a new dimension of discovery beyond mere locations. Let's move on to another interesting feature, the expanding Google Maps AR mode. Google Maps features a built-in Google Lens tool that can identify objects around you using your smartphone's camera. Previously known as Search with Live View, the feature is now referred to as Lens in Maps. And guess what? It's expanding its coverage to over 50 new cities.